How to play Exploding Kittens. Exploding Kittens is for 2 to 5 players. Object. The object of Exploding Kittens is avoid drawing an exploding kitten. If you draw one and can't defuse it, you're out of the game. Last player standing wins. What you need. One Exploding Kittens deck includes cards like Exploding Kittens, Defuse, and various action cards. Setup. 1. Prepare the deck. Remove all the Exploding Kittens and Defuse cards from the deck. 2. Deal the cards. Give each player 4 cards and 1 Defuse card. To begin, players should have 5 cards total. Shuffle the remaining Defuse cards back into the deck along with enough Exploding Kittens, so there's 1 fewer than the number of players playing. For example, if you have 4 players, you'll need 3 Exploding Kittens. Set any additional Exploding Kittens aside. Shuffle the deck and place it into the center as a draw pile. Gameplay. On your turn, you do not draw a card to start your turn. Instead, you can play as many action cards from your hand as you'd like. You're not required to play any cards if you'd rather not. Note there is no hand limit. Action cards. These can include Attack, ends your turn without drawing and forces the next player to take 2 turns. Skip, ends your turn without drawing a card. Play goes to the next clockwise player. Favor, forces another player to give you a card of their choice. Shuffle, shuffles the draw pile. See the future, peek at the top 3 cards of the draw deck. Cat cards. These cards are themed with different cat illustrations and do not have individual effects when played alone. However, if you collect and play 2 matching cat cards, you can use them to pick a card at random from another player's hand. If you collect and play 3 of a kind, you can specify which card you want from another player's hand. Nope card. Stops another player's action. It can be played at any time. It does not stop an Exploding Kitten or a Defuse card. Drawing. End your turn by drawing a card from the deck. If it's an Exploding Kitten and you don't have a Defuse card, you explode and are out of the game. If you do have a Defuse card, play it to the discard, and then you can secretly put the Exploding Kitten back into the draw pile anywhere you'd like. Play continues clockwise. Ending the game. The game ends when there's only 1 player left standing, having avoided all the Exploding Kittens or successfully defusing them. Games take about 15 minutes, so after you've finished, reset the game and play again. Do you want more details? I've got you covered. Check out my ultimate guide to playing Exploding Kittens right here on my YouTube channel. Please subscribe, share, comment, and like to help me make more of these. Now get out there and play some games.